So right, today what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off this GT badge. The tools you're gonna need for this are a mop, heat gun, and glue remover. So obviously you need a separate towel for the glue remover. Make sure you have gloves on. So I'll put that there, yeah. And a separate cloth, not a towel, cloth for the polish. So we'll put that there. So the first step you want to do is just warm up the badge. You don't want to get too close because it might overheat. So you're going to keep moving the gun, warm up the badge, as I'll show you. Right, so there's two more tools that you're going to need. This one, so you can just ease the glue off the back of the metal, your badges. And this one too, but I wouldn't recommend this one because you could possibly scratch your car. So let's get rid of that one. DOT badge removed, glue removed. There's a small mark right here. I don't know if you can see it, just here, but that comes from the factory when they press the badges on too hard and it kind of puts an imprint in the paint. So yeah.